I'm Ben Clemons from Nashville, bar number 308. I'm representing Miami. I honestly, in my opinion, think that this is the last honest cocktail competition and the best cocktail competition in the country.
Ben Clemons, who won Miami, he likes to blow things up. I mean, like, he likes fire.
In terms of cocktails and presentation, looking for some bartenders to really bring their A game, show just great performance, and have a ton of fun.
I'm hoping to get a lot of good laughs and taste some drinks.
I'm from here, and it's been a while. I'm going to make the best drink, and I'm going to do it faster, stronger, harder. The enjoyment of everybody competing together, the camaraderie, the razzing, the fun, the high energy, it's more important than the end result. Obviously we all want to win, but we did what we did and everyone loves the product and we had a great time and here we are.
Stand next to your fire.